Each keyboard has its own unique skill set. When you want a pad, I go to organ. When I want to play more rhythmic or choppy things, I go to like a piano or a clav. Every one of the instruments have their own set of chops. The moment I try to play the same thing, like my organ chops on piano, they never really sound that good. I took some time to just spend time with each instrument, find out what's the beauty in it, and play the instrument as it should be played.
We all come together.
I think of the organ like the drum. I think about the independence of like one hand playing a ride cymbal, the other hand playing the snare, one foot playing the kick drum, the other foot playing the hi-hat. The organ is kind of the same thing. Left hand can handle the rhythm like the drums, and my right hand can just be free to be whatever it wants to be. Growing up, I didn't play a lot of hand-in exercises as a means to grow my technique. Rather, I played to records that I loved, mimicked my favorite keyboard parts, and implemented that into the playing styles. Like this walk down is important to the song. Like that push on a G is important. I'm thinking about the way the song moves and how the rhythm of the bass is supposed to be the bed for the melody. I like to keep that low. It gives it a little bit more expression to the sound. Then I'm using a lot of pitch bending for like the extra emotion and the modulation for the vibrato. Some of the most soulful things you can play should be like the things you would sing. You know, so if I can kind of get that emotion out where I'm like, in this class, I'll teach you my approach to soloing. We'll work on creating layers of harmony, and we'll work on really understanding the difference between organ, pianos, and the synths. Let's have some fun.